Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting episode of AI 900 Hands-on Lab series. In this Hands-on Lab series, let's discuss about the various capabilities of Speech Studio. Let's get started. In order to explore the capabilities of Speech Studio, we have to log into the Microsoft Azure portal. After you have logged in successfully, let's search for the service Speech Services. Now the speech services option has been displayed on the portal. Let's create speech service. The very first option, we have to choose the subscription, and here there is no resource group creation. We have to create a new resource group. Let me create a new resource group, test RG. And this particular speech service I'm going to deploy under the East US region. And we need to provide the name of the speech service. Let me provide the name of the speech services. Retail speech service. And you have to choose a pricing tier. Let me choose a pricing tier, a standard pricing tier. And finally, you have to hit review plus create button. Now the validation started checking. This will take hardly 1 minute's time. Once the validation is successfully completed, you can see that the create button will be enabled. Now I'm going to hit this create button. Now the deployment is in initializing phase. So after the initializing phase will becomes the submitting phase of deployment. This particular deployment of speech service will take hardly 2 minutes time. And finally, you will be getting a message saying that your deployment is complete. After this, let's go to the resource. Once you go to the resource, there is a section known as overview section. Under the overview section, you can see there is an option known as go to Speech Studio. Click this. The Speech Studio option will be navigated in a new tab separately. And you can also notice that the resource which we have provisioned in the Microsoft Azure portal and the Speech Studio should be the same. It is the same now. What is the resource we have provisioned is retail speech service. And if you notice the speech services, the Azure AI speech services transcribes speech to text as well as text to speech. So these are the two major important capabilities of Speech Studio. With the help of this Azure AI speech service, it is also possible to create an application that transcribes the entire text from the recording of videos, as well as if you want to convert any transcription from the audio into text, that is also possible to convert with the help of the Speech Studio. So in this hands-on lab exercise, we will be using the option known as real-time speech to text. So when you say the real-time speech to text is one of the capability of speech to text option. Almost 100 plus languages as well as dialects are available with respect to speech to text capability. So for this exercise, we will be checking the option real-time speech to text. In this real-time to speech to text, it is possible to test a live transcription capabilities with your own audio will be converted into text without having any coding knowledge. Let's try this. So I'm going to hit try out real-time speech to text. Let me click this option. I have clicked it now. So what is the audio I'm going to text into speeches. So this is the audio I'm going to convert text to speech. If you want that, what I will be doing now, let me enable the sound for my audio. I have enabled it now. So now I'm enabled the sound in my machine. Let's hear this audio. I'm playing the audio.
AI enables us to build amazing software that can improve healthcare, enable people to overcome physical disadvantages, empower smart infrastructure, create incredible entertainment experiences, and even save the planet.
So we have listened the audio. This audio is nothing but the speech. Now this speech we are trying to convert into text. Let's see that. So for this option, ensure that the resource which you have provisioned in your Azure portal as well as in the Speech Studio should be the same. After this, you have to acknowledge this checkbox. Let me upload this audio. I'm going to upload this audio. There are two ways we can provide input. One is you can browse your files, or else you'll be able to record an audio with a microphone. For this time, I'll be browsing this file. So when I browse this file, this particular option, I'm going to choose it. So now the audio file started displaying it. And you can also see the amazing fact is the entire audio, it is now converted into a text. You can see AI enables us to build an amazing software that can improve healthcare, enable people to overcome physical disadvantages, empower smart infrastructure, create incredible entertainment experiences, and even save the planet. So for this particular audio file, it is now converted into a text form. If you want to cross-check it, let me play the audio once.
AI enables us to build amazing software that can improve healthcare, enable people to overcome physical disadvantages, empower smart infrastructure, create incredible entertainment experiences, and even save the planet.
So we have successfully created a real-time speech to text in this hands-on lab exercises. Now, finally, it is good to have whatever the resource which you have created. Let's delete those resources under your specified resource group. Let me go to the Microsoft Azure portal, click resource group. What is the resource group which I have created is test.rg. Click this, delete resource group. The resource group to be deleted, we have to choose this and enter your resource group in your text box. Let me delete this and it will ask for a confirmation, delete again. Now the resource group started deleting, which is test.rg. You can see that particular notification in your Azure portal. This will take hardly 2 minutes time to delete your resource group. So thank you so much for watching this video. For more updates, please stay tuned.